everyone's sort of probably fairly familiar with vegetation management, and roams was initially set up on the back of vegetation management. The other things that we're doing with it now are around our pole data, so being able, we've got very accurate pole locations spatially from the roams information. So we're overlaying that now over our information in Small World and Ellipse, and starting to be able to work on correcting the data that we've got in Small World to bring our system up to date. So we're really, roams isn't a separate database, it's a separate, it's a feed in to correct our existing systems to bring all that up to improve the accuracy on that. As we get further down the track and we can tie more of our Small World system data to the roams data, we can start to log more information about condition of poles with regulators on, all that sort of stuff. Conductor heights, so you start to look at planning where you want to put more load through a feeder, or where the demand on a feeder creeps up. Do we need to do anything based on the existing minimum heights of conductors there? Because as you put more load through, they sag more. So instead of having to go out and resurvey those, we can use some of the roams conductor height information there. Roams also supplies back to us currently all the attachment heights on poles. So you can, the designers can look at the roams information and see exactly if a pole's got 3 or 4 circuits coming off it, they can see all the attachment height above ground of all those circuits. So it saves a lot of going out to the field, getting that sort of information, and you can see it readily in roams. The other big area is one of managing risk and cost for ergon in terms of our conductor clearances, so clearances over roads and clearances from buildings and those sorts of things. And then also major faults where we might have a conductor come off the end of a crossarm and hang just below the crossarm. roams being able to pick that up, identify that through their analysis, and be able to raise work orders in Ellipse for our field crews to attend to. The whole thing about roams is being able to bring that capability with that sort of accuracy, covering our whole million-odd spans of network. That's the big benefit.